you play last? It was on your own harpsichord. How I envied you for it.
Can you hit the lights? La, 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 la.
I want you to call the ER of North Bank General Hospital, 932-1000. Tell them to set up OR6 immediately and contact anesthesiologist Isadora Turek, 472-2112, beep 12. Have them send an ambulance with a paramedic crew, light IV, D5 and W, KVO. You got it?
So, what time is dinner gonna be?
Becky, you know, Father, he was
never
so...
mind, pet.
Well, when you loved someone, you have to go after them.
North Bank General Hospital, 932-1000 set. OR6 contact. Anesthesiologist Isadora Turek, 472-2112, beep 12. Ambulance with paramedics and light IV, D5 and WKVO.
That's good.
Bitch, I look like this. Homegirl don't chase. Homegirl gets chased.
Sounds like a subdural hematoma to me.
Oh, it does it? Well, it's not your job to diagnose.
But I thought...
You thought. Just go. 3 years of nursery school and you think you know it all, but you're still wet behind the ears. It's not a subdural hematoma, it's epidural. Ha!
I know what we need!
It's cocaine.
Yeah, definitely cocaine.
Cocaine!
I say we get rockets and a buttload of duct tape and blast the neighbor's house off our street.
Homegirl don't even have to work. Homegirl get that paper all on her own.
Love that.
You're
Oh,
right.
that's good.
You better tell us what's going on here. And they say, fuck you, coppers. We ain't telling you nothing. The door opens. A giant black guy wearing only a cowboy hat and a jockstrap is standing there. And he slaps Al Pacino across the face and leaves.
I'm homegirl.
Who gives a fuck, okay? So all the women leave. But the two buddies are looking in the holes and they're like, keep your dick in there. I think a hot girl's coming. And it's the big burly gym teacher. Uh-huh. And this is so funny. She grabs his dick and she's like, you're in big trouble, buddy. And the other guy's still in there and he's like, all right, now you're going to talk? And he's like, I don't want to talk. And then the door opens and the black guy's standing there wearing a jockstrap and a cowboy hat with his ass out. He slaps him across the face. He falls on the ground. The guy leaves and then the guy on the ground goes, who is that guy?
Just stand there while somebody else goes to get the principal.
Okay, but here's why. If this movie had been just this scene, it would be a great movie. It'd be a great short film.
What in the hell is that?
My zucchini casserole.
Large PE teacher woman. She's like traumatized.
You're right. It's not zucchini. I guess when I was at the store, my mind was somewhere else. See, sometimes I escape to a little place in my head where no one complains about the meals I cook. And there's no more scraping snot rockets off the shower tiles. And no more PB&J with the crust cut off. Anyway, if you don't want to eat it, I can fix something else.